The defense will present its case this morning in the penalty phase of Dzhokhar Tsarnaev's trial. Lawyers will try to show why the convicted Boston Marathon bomber should spend life in prison instead of getting the death penalty. The prosecution's witnesses delivered emotional testimony last week. CBS News legal analyst Rikki Klieman is with us. Rikki, good morning.
Good morning.
So first, the prosecution. How did they do in their summation last week?
The prosecution case was absolutely devastating. We have to remember that what these jurors have heard and seen are things that no human being should have to live through. It's as if the jurors have been part of the carnage, have been victims of the carnage. They, too, may be suffering from this evidence. So to overcome the prosecution's penalty phase borders on the impossible.
Some of the most difficult testimony came about 8-year-old Martin Richard, who was killed. Do the jurors know that his parents don't want Tsarnaev to face the death penalty?
Theoretically, the jurors should not know about that. They wrote a letter. It was on the front page of the Boston Globe, not in the opinion section. There have been other victims who have supported life in prison. The jurors should not know about that. However, you have an interesting question here. The jurors probably won't make any difference to them that the Richard's parents did not testify in the penalty phase because they've heard from Martin Richard's father in the guilt phase. Now, what is the defense to do? Should the defense dare to ever call Martin Richard's parents in the penalty phase? I would never do it. I think it's too cruel. But might they send an emissary, like an investigator, to find out if, in fact, someone like the Richards family or other victims might testify for them? High-risk move.
What are the chances of him actually taking the stand? He's certainly indicated that he doesn't mind if he gets a death penalty.
Well, he certainly in the past, looking at the writings in the boat, was looking for martyrdom, jealous, in fact, of his brother's martyrdom, dying in the cause. It has been said that life imprisonment is a far worse sentence for him, and that therefore that these jurors, along with the Boston Globe polls that show that there are more people in favor of life, that perhaps that is the best alternative. If you put him on the stand or he dares take the stand over your objections, he might just ask for death. The jurors could spite him and give him life.
Wow, Rikki Klieman, thank you.